Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used when talking about custom-made items: bespoke. It might look a little unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is bespoke. Let's break it down. First, we have bec, which sounds like the buy-in bit. Next is spoke, which rhymes with broke and is stressed. Now, let's put it all together. Bespoke. Try repeating after me. Bespoke. Now a little faster. Bespoke. And at full speed. Bespoke. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Bespoke refers to something that is custom-made, tailored to fit the specific needs or desires of an individual. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce bespoke and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.